Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your pages include breadcrumb list structured data and that they render correctly to users. Open Google Search Console and run URL inspection on a representative page so you see how Google fetched it. Once done, click the live test and review the results for missing item list element, position, or name fields. This step establishes a baseline. Make sure the markup matches the visible breadcrumb trail, so search results can mirror your site navigation. Next, diagnose the specific markup errors you found and edit the code. Replace inconsistent markup by mapping each visible breadcrumb to item list element positions starting at 1, and prefer JSON LD with that type breadcrumb list for clarity. Make sure each item includes name, position, and a fully qualified URL. Once edited, validate locally with rich results test, and then in Search Console's URL inspection live test. If relative URLs or duplicate positions were the problem, to finish, rerun the live test in Search Console and request indexing for the corrected page so Google recrawls it sooner. Monitor the performance and enhancements reports over the next days for breadcrumb updates in search results. If changes don't appear, make sure the page's canonical points to the corrected URL, robots. TXT and meta robots don't block rendering, and JavaScript isn't stripping your JSON LD. As a troubleshooting tip, fetch as Google and inspect rendered HTML to confirm the structured data is present to Googlebot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.